let us grow this channel together with free access to educational videos. Hit the like and subscribe button now.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the letter U. Capital U, small u. The sound is ah. Ah. Can you say the sound? Ah. Good job. Now let's take a look at some words that have the ah sound in it.
Can you find the words in the pictures that have the ah sound? You've got 15 seconds. Umbrella. Ah, umbrella. Can you find the word here? Cup. 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 Can you find the word here? Duck. 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 These are the sounds that we have learned so far. Let's try and spell the word nuts. 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 Nut. Nuts. Nuts. Good work, everyone. See you in our next episode. This video will help your child spell words easily by listening for the sounds in the words. Visit our website at www.beyondworksheets.com for a comprehensive lesson with worksheets on this sound.